organize our Bhushan motivational seminars for school, college, university, private and government organizations, political parties, corporates, TV channels. Services offered: 1. Personal motivation. 2. School, colleges and corporate motivation. 3. Seminar on Bhagavad Gita, how to get success. 4. The greatest legend Acharya Chanakya, how to achieve your goals. 5. Sundarkan se safalta ka dwar 6. The doctrine of Gautam Buddha's super formula for success, happiness and prosperity. 7. The power words of Swami Vivekananda and the eternal Bharat.
It belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt forged a new destiny. We can transform our lives by changing the way we think about possibilities. We are prone to picture our future as an extension of our past, but we have no guarantee at all our future will anything like our past. The nature of the consciousness shift is the release of old belief system, replacing it with the new guardian. Let us, just when you think, know it all, life comes along with the say, here, let me show you a bigger universe. यानी कि सोच पे कोई काबू नहीं है, बड़ा सोचो, पूरी ताकत लगा दो. Thank God we do not know it all. If we did, we would be in the big trouble, for most of what we know had made us small. We're grateful that the universe is willing to take away our impotence and replace it with the magnitude. Lead me to a destiny that outshines my history. Thank you so much.